Anyway, that's what happens when you cook outdoors. Look at this crap. Aldi. Mild sweet Italian chicken sausage. Each of our Simply Nature products is free from commercial ingredients and preservatives. When it comes to eating well, the choice is simple. Simply Nature. I know. Chicken sausage. Aiden and I are going to try this. It's organic. Chicken raised without use of any antibiotics. It's gluten-free. And these chickens right here that are in this sausage are fed a vegetarian diet. It's chicken sausage. Mild, sweet Italian chicken sausage.
Would that make these vegan hot link or vegan sausage?
No, it's chicken.
Nah, I don't eat vegetables.
We're gonna cook these on the acorn. Just let the charcoal get a little bit hotter, up to like 250 America, and then we'll just do a taste test. Aiden and I outdoors. The Phantom Chef behind the camera today. That's what we got. Let's get these cooked up. They're already cooked, by the way, so we're just warming them up. Got some cowboy lump charcoal in the little acorn junior. Want to pick up that rock?
No, I'm good.
Peace. Are you recording, Aiden?
Yeah.
Look at those things. They came out ever so slimy. They're sizzling. Just got to warm them up. Pre-cooked. And then we don't even have any hot dog rolls because Walmart didn't have any today. Memorial Day weekend. They don't have any hot dog rolls. Imagine that. We're just going to eat some bread. That's all. See what these things taste like. They were about $4.30, $4.50 at Aldi. Close it up. Warm them up. Eat them up. Yum. Here they are. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so Aiden's still recording. So like I said, we don't have any rolls, but we do have flies, and that's a wonderful thing. So we just got some good old fashioned. Ooh, those are hot. Some good old fashioned Great Bailey bread.
Burn your finger.
What the?
Don't know your own strength.
It's all right. Then we're gonna put some mustard on, because that's what we do. Oh, not bad, huh? Fly. Ah, yes. Flies in summertime. Let's put this cap back on. We're gonna fold this bread over. Oh, that looks good. Now, Aiden is going to do a taste test with me while recording. Cheers.
Cheers. This is the inside of a cheap burrito with the bell peppers.
You get a lot of bell peppers.
No focus. Oh, there we
It's actually quite juicy. The texture is good. It's not too far off.
Wow.
It actually does taste a little bit like Italian sausage. Sweet Italian sausage. They're not bad. A lot of bell pepper, that's for sure. Not bad at all. Would I buy them again? More than likely no. But
The more I eat them, the more I kind of like it.
yeah, they kind of grow on you. All right, that's what we got. There'll be more, don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks everybody. And peace.